Give it to me like.
Hello everyone, this is Nicole.
Hello!
And welcome to Dracadal. Turning our photo into anime isn't a secret, is it?
No.
Yeah, you heard it right, it's not a secret. I'll show you how I do it, and it's very easy. But I tell you that this is not for Illustrator users, those who are good at drawing and sketching. This is for people like me who doesn't draw, but who likes to create my own version of anime. Si Nicole magaling mag-drawing yan, so hindi niya kailangan yun. But I do. So if you're a newbie or you don't know how to do it but you like it, continue watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first guys, download the CapCut app. Okay. I'm an Android user, so I don't know if it's available on iOS. Just check if you can download it. Many YouTubers are using it, and yung mga TikTokers, they use it. Tama ba yung sabi ko, TikTokers? Okay, so, and this is one of the apps that I use to create and edit my YouTube videos.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's assume that you already have the CapCut. Add a photo, and then find the anime icon. And then choose the last option where it says anime. And then just click on it. Once the picture is already converted into anime, what I do is that I do screenshot. Okay, and then I crop the photo and save it as to however I like it. Okay. Alright, so let's try another one. Okay, so it's very easy to use, but it's not perfect, but it is doable. So you only need to choose a picture which you can convert nicely into anime. And what you see actually on my picture, yung goatee, no, hindi siya perfect dun, yung pagka-convert sa kanya. So, I used Photoshop to fix yung goatee, kung saan siya ilalagay, no. If you know how to use Photoshop, okay, well, you can.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And please like the video, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, Nicole!